Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to upload files to Dropbox. So let's get us started. Visit the Dropbox website and logging into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard or the file section. Click on the upload button or the new button usually located near the top of the screen. Choose Files. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to the files you want to upload and select them. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files from your computer directly into the Dropbox window in your browser. After selecting the files, click Open or Upload to begin uploading them to your Dropbox account. So, there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.